Got a king salmon
Pressure.
out on Lake Michigan.
No, I'm ready. I'm locked in right now. I could net him right now if I had to.
Got a rookie netter.
Oh shit, we can't.
Hey, I'm taking video. You don't need to
Alright,
swear.
blip that out then.
I can't. I don't know how. Got a nice king salmon.
Okay, cut the video.
What do you got, Nick? About 40 meters? I think I got
Got it on the copper with nosebleed spoon. So there's the fish. Pretty nice size.
Nice.
Don't mess up on the netting now.
Shut up.
No, we want to go this side.
Yeah,
Keep on this side of the boat.
Yeah, look at the line.
Nick,
Listen to
if I turn that way, you're going to cross every freaking line.
You can see the fish. Kind of like shiny.
I saw him.
Lost track of the fish.
I got him. I'm locked on.
Carter.
You see the fish?
I am locked on.
Oh, I see her.
Oh,
Right there.
a nice one, Nicholas.
Get her in.
Get her in.